In today's video, we're going to check out 5 ways to recover abandoned cart sales. Number 1, provide a better checkout experience. Don't force your customers to make an account for your website. Instead, accept PayPal payments or Apple, Samsung, Google Pay, even Amazon payments. You can also allow customers to check out as a guest. Once you've done this, send an email to anyone who has abandoned a cart and tell them that you understand the old process may not have been ideal and that you have revamped it. Number 2, offer a discount for coming back. Everyone tends to offer a come back to us discount in their emails. If you send a shout out to the folks who left, you may be able to recover abandoned cart sales by enticing them back with a discount, but not a 5 to 10% discount. Those may work, but that is just taking off sales tax in most places. You want to offer a sizable discount, 25% or higher. You may ask why, and that's because those kinds of numbers bring people back. But make sure you only offer the mega discount on the items already in their cart. Number 3, exclusive digital downloads. If you run a digital product store, you may want to consider offering the cart bailers something unique to them as bait to come back. Maybe the download would be a special ebook that they can only get through this comeback offer. Or perhaps it is a free copy of something you normally sell. The goal of this tactic is to make sure that your customers feel special, to make them feel wanted. If you don't deal in digital goods, maybe this is a good time to figure out a couple that could work for your brand. Number 4, exclusive add-on items for free. Much like the previous option, you can give your customers a physical thank you for coming back to check out their cart. You could include a small item from your shop, that way they get to choose what they want and it's just more fun for them. You want something that comes in low cost to you, but high incentive for them. People love free stuff. Number 5, free shipping. Speaking of free stuff, tell someone if they come back that you will ship their purchase to them free of charge. People on the internet tend to be willing to pay higher prices for items with free shipping than a less expensive item that has a shipping cost. To make it even sweeter, you can upgrade them to faster shipping as a bonus. And there you go. Those are 5 different ways that you can recover abandoned cart sales. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.